In this tutorial, we will be showing you how to program your AGS function in your MATE3. From your MATE3, press the lock button and enter your password of 141 and press enter. Go to Settings, MATE3, then select Advanced Generator Start, or AGS. In here, you will first need to go through the Setup menu, then enable any of the 6 Gen Start functions. In the Setup menu, we first enable the AGS. Select the N and change it to Y. Next is the port. This is the port number on the hub where the device is plugged into that you are using for the 12-volt signal. In this example, we are using the auxiliary output of the master FXR inverter that is connected into the port 1 of the hub. Select the port number and change it to 1. If there is no hub and you have the MATE3 connected directly at the inverter, you set the port number to 0. Note, in a system that consists of only FLEXmax charge controllers, a hub and MATE3 are required for AGS to function properly. For the Radiant inverter models only, you will have to select the auxiliary to either 12 volts output or relay. All Radiant inverters have a built-in relay. This is displayed next to the port assignment. The next two are the warm-up time and the cool-down time. These are optional in case you prefer to run the generator unloaded for some time before we connect, and start charging the batteries or disconnect after the charge cycle is completed. Consult with your generator manufacturer for the best optimal times, or if this is needed, certain generators have built-in warm-up and cool-down times. If your generator has a built-in cool-down timer, enter the time delay under the AC input reconnect delay to avoid the system from reconnecting during this cool-down time. Note, if DC generator is selected, warm-up cool-down times are disabled. Next is the fault time. This is the period the generator is given to connect to the inverter after the auxiliary output has been activated. If the generator fails to connect within this time, the MATE3 will display an AGS fault message in the event log and the auxiliary will deactivate. If a fault condition occurs, AGS will need to be manually reset to clear the fault. Make sure not to have the warm-up time greater than the fault time to avoid the system triggering a fault before it connects to the generator. Finally, if the generator being used puts out direct current, we must change the DC generator to yes. This will activate the DC voltage and time below. This concludes the first part of the AGS setup, and thank you for watching.